if your breakfast could quietly support your heart health without changing your entire lifestyle? No extreme diets, no complicated rules, just one small habit, done consistently. Because here's something most people don't realize. Heart health doesn't change overnight. It changes slowly, quietly, over years. And that's what makes it dangerous, but also manageable. Because slow changes can be influenced by daily habits. The problem is, there are no early warning signs, no pain, no alarm, just silent changes inside the body. One of the most affected systems is your arteries. They carry oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body, but over time, they can become less flexible. A gradual buildup may form inside them. This process is known as atherosclerosis. It develops slowly, over many years, through daily habits, like food, activity, sleep, and stress. And that's why small daily choices matter, more than big occasional changes, because your body responds to repetition, not intensity. And that brings us to something simple: your breakfast. Most people in the US eat oatmeal, warm, simple, filling, and it is already known as heart-friendly because it contains beta-glucan, a type of fiber. This fiber may help support cholesterol balance and reduce LDL, but most people stop there. They think oatmeal alone is enough, but there's a simple upgrade, one small addition: ground flax seeds. Flax seeds don't look special, but inside, they contain powerful nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, plant compounds, natural fiber, and when added to oatmeal, they don't replace it, they support it. Like two tools working together, oats support cholesterol balance, flax seeds support inflammation balance, different roles, same direction. But this only works with consistency, not occasionally, because the body responds to patterns, not one-time actions. Most people try it briefly, then stop, and miss the real benefit. Now there's another layer: what you add on top. Blueberries, cinnamon, walnuts, each one adds small value. Together, they create balance. Not quick results, but long-term support. And that's the key. You don't need perfection, just consistency, because small habits, done daily, build real change over time. Now here's the simple way to make it. Oats in a bowl. 1 to 2 tablespoons flax seeds. Add blueberries, cinnamon, walnuts if you like. That's it. Simple, clean, repeatable. Avoid whole flax seeds, avoid excess sugar, and avoid inconsistency, because the benefit comes from repetition, not one-time effort. Oatmeal builds the base. Flax seeds support it. Toppings complete it, and consistency turns it into a habit. Not perfection, just repetition. And that is what truly supports long-term health. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Vita Signal 60 and tell me, would you try this tomorrow?